part of building a race car is you have a lot of stock parts, right? Valkyrie's right there. So we're gonna show you my boy's ride, who just came down from where?
Well, actually Joplin now, but living in Joplin now.
Joplin,
Missouri.
Missouri?
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was that far. So we're gonna hand the camera to my good friend Chandler and let him tell you about his ride, and then we're gonna tell you what parts he's taking from Project Valkyrie to upgrade his. So, who are you? What do you drive? What's all your social handles?
All my social handles, Instagram at a Ford and a Dodge.
Okay.
So this is my car. I mean, it's pretty basic. It started as an SXT base, which is similar to Alex's, but it's, I guess, the base model version, whatever. I put the what are these? The RT Classic wheels on it from I think 2014 is when they ran them. It was an option for them. I picked those wheels up for $300 and refinished them myself.
And they're dope.
Yeah. I got a little ambitious with the clear coat and it started running. I need to sand them down and redo them, but it's not too bad. This is kind of a work in progress, but I got doing this kind of, I guess, faux wood dash to kind of, it's kind of a throwback to the early 70s cars. That's not a very good looking decal. I made that myself, but whatever.
Oh, that shifter looks familiar.
Yeah.
Huh?
I bought that shifter from Alex.
Oh, yeah.
It's, you weren't kidding when you said it's a little floppy.
Told you.
Yeah, I still haven't gotten the Loctite for that jam nut. But this stripe was done by Slick Pick Customs, and it's the vinyl itself, or I guess the decal itself, is based off of the '74 Plymouth Dusters that had the slant six in them. So that's where I got the buzz and half dozen thing, because they ran those engines in drag cars back in the day. So
I like it.
Put the Scat Pack front splitter on it. Also, yeah, the hood stripe is extended out to, I guess, the most forward part of the bumper with an embossed Dodge logo in the front. It's got the Hellcat air box in it. It also has, I guess, kind of a jerry-rigged, or I guess Frankenstein brake duct system from the SRT 392s. But other than that, I mean, that's about it. It's got, I guess, some Amazon rotors on it.
All right, so all the way down here from Joplin, Missouri. What are you here for?
I'm here.
Show them what you're switching out.
I'm switching out the seats to some leather ones that were, I guess, the stock ones in Alex's car. I got these little dinky cloth seats here. So I'm looking forward to upgrading these to leather.
Yeah, so fronts and rears on that,
and bigger brakes too.
And bigger brakes. We're gonna give him the stock setup that comes off of Valkyrie.
I got the little tiny one piston calipers up front, and he at least had the two pistons.
Yep. So we're gonna go two piston.
Yep.
Give it a little more stopping power.
Yep.
What's your future plans for this thing?
I don't know. I kind of want to make this, as fun as it sounds, kind of more of a autocross type car.
Okay.
Maybe do some, I guess, frame strengthening or whatever. Do some strut bar, triangulated strut bar up front, triangulated strut bar in the back. I don't know. Maybe a supercharger in the future. I'm not sure. Haven't decided yet. We'll see. I may just do some, I guess, maybe some porting on the intake manifold and stuff like that. Maybe give it a little bit more airflow. Maybe just a mild naturally aspirated tune. I don't know. I'm not going too crazy with it because I still want to be able to drive it. Yet. Okay.
So Chandler's going from these to these with the rear seat. Liven her up a little bit. We just got to get you that 8.1 screen now, man.
I know.
Okay, think back to the late 90s, right? When you would start your computer and you get that da-da, right? You remember that screen? I didn't say it, he did.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's our excuse for a screen.
Version 2, no seat backup.
This is just like being short.
Dude, you lost like 1.5 feet of height. What happened?
Oh. Oh. Yeah, the mirrors are completely.
You're good. Keep going. You're good. What's it feel like? Not creepy at all. Damn! Look at all that horsepower.
I should have brought my oar with me.
Woo!
It would have made me a little faster.
I feel like there's a lot of space right here. I don't remember what. I feel like there's something. I have something in this space now. I can't quite put my finger on it. I feel like there's something that sits right here. Wow, I'm glad we got rid of that coolant tank.
It's ugly.
It is heinous. All right, we're gonna breathe some new life into Chandler's ride. You ready for this? Wow. Ooh, fresh.
Dirty girl.
Now you know it's real.
Hey, yeah, that's worth some money now. Hey, I'm putting this up on Craigslist for $1,000. DM me for if you want this. At Affording to Dodge on Instagram.
Oh, so, my God.
It's all you.
Hey, boom, there it is. Signed in citrus. I think he's earned one.
Wide awake, why they slipping? I won't die today, won't you listen? Squinting, eyes dilating, a pine box, I'm drifting. Mud in my pockets, fingertips ripping the locket. Liquor spilled on designer watches. Oh yeah, that new body better be Versace when I get excited. Wildin', the kingpin of Sandcastle Asylum's dry, but I'm dying to be thirsty, thirsting. My nerves are jerking, I'm clawing, draw my breath to the surface. Surfing to the most high, now undeserving. Return to the dirt, the earth I'm in, they used to follow me. Guess they never knew that I'm just dust, brick and mortar. Under the thumb of the Lord, I get crushed. Don't mean much, now I get stuck. I'm only flesh, I'm only blood. All my words, holy aroma, or the smoke of the untouched. I see doves, I see fire fall like tongues of Ryan. My place is among the stars. I see some, I see the tale of the one who spoke with the desire to take the place of the sun. But no devil could topple them. Hand over this metropolis, he reigns. Floodlight, floodlight, let me be a floodlight. All I feel is sunlight to set them free. They could be wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, so they can see it all. Floodlight, floodlight, let me be a floodlight. All I feel is sunlight to set us free. We could be wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, so we can see our God. Body looking for the king in an empty tomb. Remind them that and he's coming soon. We lack many moons. Give me room, let me breathe. Losing lung capacity. Though the paralysis sweeping over me, never oversleep. Wake me up, shake me from lonely dreams. I need to be wide awake. Please don't let me die today. Flash your lights, we can see the change in hue, red and blue. They gaining speed, what am I supposed to do? Running from the law, my number's been drawn, and I could never measure up or measure it all. I am but a man with no grace of my own. Look at my hands, I am not scarred for you all. This is why I fall down at the feet of the king. Submission is a mission, I receive it every day. I am but a vessel, he leads me through my faith, until the day that I see your face. Floodlight, floodlight, let me be a floodlight. All I feel is sunlight to set them free. They could be wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, so they can see it all. Floodlight, floodlight, let me be a floodlight. All I feel is sunlight to set us free. We could be wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake, so we can see our God. I'm so sleepy. Don't they know he's calling out? I don't think they see what's really going on.
Stay in the life of me.